What's up guys, hey Anthony here at inGear and welcome to our channel where we love talking about our favorite pieces of gear. Today I wanted to talk to you about one tool that we think you should always carry while you're riding, especially in the first 100 miles on your bike. Now people often talk about extra tubes, patch kits, slime, which are always great to have on hand. But this tool flies under the radar and I think it's one of the crucial pieces of equipment you should always have on hand. And here it is. This is a three-way hex wrench, also known as an Allen key or an Allen wrench, pick your poison, but they're very popular in the cycling industry because they will fit 80 to 95% of the bolts and screws on your bike. So why is that important? Well, the worst thing for me besides my bike falling apart while I'm riding is my fake leg falling apart. So this little guy is a lifesaver because it literally fits all of the screws and the bolts on my fake leg. So this tool keeps me one step ahead if anything goes south. So lots of times when your bike first comes from the factory, things are nice and snug, but your bike's never been ridden. And so as soon as you start putting miles on it, things will absolutely start loosening up. Now this isn't a problem, it's not a big deal, but we found this to happen on most all of our bikes that we own, especially the ones that we've put together ourselves with limited instructions. So thank you for all of you bike companies who send your bikes without instructions. Do YouTube videos to help people put together those bikes. That would be awesome. So where we see this happening most, the biggest culprits have been the fenders, the handlebars, the seats. And when we've forgotten to carry one of these tools, sometimes when we're out filming, we get out stuck a couple miles from the truck, having to stop every 30 seconds to hand tighten a screw or having to stand up for the rest of the ride because the seat's jacked up is absolutely and incredibly annoying. Also, if you have to loosen your handlebars to fit your bike in your car because that's the way that you transport it, or maybe you're fitting multiple bikes on racks or tailgates where you need to loosen things up, this is a great universal tool to have as well. So this three-way hex has become an essential piece of our toolkit and one we try to carry with us on every ride. And we want to just share that with you because we think it's incredibly helpful. Now, a generic version of this often comes with your bike assembly, but we've also linked a couple high-quality ones, especially one from Park Tool. It's a leading bike tool manufacturer. It's in the description below. And if you don't already have one for $12, it's a win. It's $3 more than some of the cheaper ones, but some of the cheaper options have snapped or stripped in the past, so I'd rather have the reliability of a name brand one for only a few extra dollars. So that's it for today. If you've watched this video all the way through, let us know in the comments by coming up with a clever way to use the word wrench in your comment. This lets us know that you're watching the video and hopefully that you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Also, if you'd smash that like button for us, that will send us to other people's pages as recommended videos, and that'll help spread the word about what we're doing here on this channel. As always, we'll be back again soon to discuss with you our favorite products in gear.